To build a website like Yelp, start with thorough market research. Understand the landscape by analyzing competitors like Yelp and Google My Business. Identify their strengths and weaknesses to tailor your platform. Know your target audience's demographics and behavior to meet their needs effectively. Define essential features for your Yelp-like website. Include user profiles for personalized experiences, business listings with detailed information, and a robust review system. Implement search and filter options for easy navigation. Integrate maps for location convenience and allow photo uploads to enhance authenticity. Choose the right technology stack for scalability and performance. For the front end, consider HTML, CSS, and JavaScript frameworks like React or Vue.js. For the back end, options like Node.js or Ruby on Rails are effective. Select a reliable database solution like MySQL or MongoDB. Design a user-friendly interface with a focus on UX/UI. Ensure simplicity, intuitive navigation, and consistent design. Use wireframing and prototyping to visualize layouts. Optimize for mobile responsiveness, as over half of web traffic comes from mobile devices, ensuring accessibility for all users. Organize the development process with version control using Git. Develop front-end and back-end concurrently for efficiency. Implement key features from your planning stage, focusing on search functionality, review systems, and user profiles. Prioritize security measures to protect user data and maintain trust. Conduct rigorous testing to ensure functionality and usability. Perform functional testing with detailed test cases and user acceptance testing. Usability testing involves user surveys and observing real-time behavior. Performance testing assesses load handling and speed. Gather feedback to refine the platform. Develop a strategic marketing plan for a successful launch. Identify your target audience and unique selling points. Use social media to create buzz and engage potential users. Craft a compelling press release and strengthen community ties through partnerships and events to boost visibility. Monitor key metrics like user activity and engagement. Use tools like Google Analytics and heat maps for insights. Collect continuous feedback through surveys and user interviews. Implement improvements based on feedback, addressing pain points and enhancing user satisfaction to retain and grow your audience. Continuously enhance your platform with user-friendly features like loyalty programs and third-party integrations. Scale technology using cloud infrastructure and microservices architecture. Expand your user base through targeted marketing campaigns, user engagement initiatives, and referral programs to ensure sustained growth.